This presentation picks up with an organization called 3CMedia. Now, 3CMedia works with all the community colleges. They're actually based here in San Marcos, but they work with everybody. And they do quite a few things, but what we care about here is they'll caption your instructional videos for free. And they do it fairly fast. Their turnaround time is usually a week or less. So you see on top here we have a link that can get us to where we can register, 3cmediasolutions.org. So I'm going to take you to that on the website itself. So we're here now on the internet, and here's their web page. So you have a tab here, create new account. Now I already have an account, but give your college address here, your name, select the value, and you'll see on here all the community colleges and some other organizations as well. So let's find Palomar all the way down here. Palomar, not Palomar CCT, but Palomar College. Okay, then you agree to their account. Now I'm gonna, if I try to click to create, I'm probably gonna say, yeah, we've already got something. See, I've already got an account. So if you go through and create a new user ID and account, you'll be able to pick your password and create an account. It's pretty easy to do. So recommend that you do take some time and do that right now. So I'm going to go over to the login page. I'm going to log in. Okay, so I've already got my user ID and password typed in. See, that was the second tab when we first came here. We create new account, second tab. So I'll go ahead and click the login button, and we're brought into a welcome area. Okay, and as you'll see, I'm going to back and forth to the slides. So here's the slide, and we'll go down one, and you can see this is about where I'm at now. Well, when you get there, you select the media line. So let's go ahead and do that, and then you'll see this display. So going back, and so that's what you care about here, media. So you click on the media link. Now I already have a couple here. I actually have one that's already captioned. I have one that I uploaded the other day. As here, I'm recording this on 5/17. I upload this on the 16th because when I first upload it, there's a little bit of a wait time before it gets into the state where we want to show you what to do next. Going again back to the slide for a second, you see that the slide is pointing you to click on details and options, okay, for the video that you just uploaded. Now you didn't see me upload a video, so I'll go ahead. So we'll click on this add media upload button, and then I'm going to just upload a video to 3CMedia Solutions. Click next, and I have to give it a title. So I'm going to upload a different one, assignment 11 for a Python class. Just select the Creative Commons address, and I'll just put assignment 11 for Python. Okay, and then you agree to the terms and conditions. You might want to take a look at that. Basically, you can only upload instructional video only. I hit next. Okay, and using what's it say here? Now I have to go through and select the file on my hard drive that I want to upload. So I click the select button, and I'm going to go over to let me find that video. Okay, I placed the video here, so it's this one that I want. So I select it, and then it's kind of a little bit out of view there, sorry about that. So then we just say open, and then you can see that the file that it's got, it says how big it is, and I click the button called upload file. So it uploads it, and it says once it's available. So the video needs to be processed and posted, usually within a few hours. So let me go ahead and click the media tab again, and you'll see three things here. One that I've had captioned, one that I uploaded yesterday down here that we're going to deal with, and one that I just uploaded. And you see there's no details and options for it because it's being processed. So it says within a few hours that will be available. So let's look at what the slide said to do. The slide said to click on details and options. So I click on that. Okay, and I've got a little video there. This is actually what my video is. If we played it, we could see it. And the next thing I do is I click this submit for captioning. Okay, so I'm going to click this button. And you might know, even before I finish clicking, it says made possible by the DECT grant, the DECT grant. And so this happens every year. So let's click that. Okay. So notice that there it says it takes about 3 to 5 business days. Don't put practice for experiments or experimentation. We have to pay for every file, so they're asking you to be mindful. It's also good. Let's see what it says here. It's not available for media hosted on YouTube. So it has to be only for classroom instructional videos. The funding's only for instruction. Television programs have already been created. So do not submit those types. So they're giving you warnings about what not to submit. And again, the video must have clear audio or it's not going to be captioned. Only captions for audio that's in English at this time. They don't have any translation or foreign languages services. I believe there's a way to do that in YouTube if you have a need for that, and we'll check that, and that'll be in another little presentation. And we don't provide transcripts, only the captions. Okay, and the captions are timelines, so a caption word goes at a certain time of the video, so it's coordinated. So you can use that to help people search and to do that. So there's ways to turn that into transcripts if you need to, but that's something that would be a side project. So they ask you to tell the length of video. I happen to know it's about 2 minutes. The section, so enter the appropriate section for the course. So you know what I'm going to use this video for. So I had to go look it up. I didn't know off the top of my head, so I put in the course and the ticket number over there. The term was the spring. Short introduction note. You could describe what this is: a class in computer programming using Python, and this video is a demonstration of assignment 2. So oops, 2, give them that information. So you go down here and now we submit that. Okay, so it goes through, the captioning has been submitted. Okay, so you see that. So I'll go back to media again. Okay, and you can see again there's 3 files. You see that this is available, but the video is available, but it hasn't been captioned yet. Now this other one that I did back in December, assignment 1, it has been captioned. So let me look at details and options, and I see something different here. I see this is not selectable anymore because it already did it. I can download the actual caption file from Edit Media page. If I want to get the caption file, I can go here and I can use it, and I can get this .vtt file which has caption files. If I need to download that and I want to make that available for a searching kind of criteria, you can have it, and people can search for keywords in the video and find the timeline where it is in the video to go back and watch it, your students. So back again to here, if I go back to this, if I were to play the video now, I have the words off. I don't think you'll hear them. So if I hit the CC though, you can see we start getting the captions there. And if I make this larger, well, you're not going to see it. Let me go ahead and shrink that again. So they're showing here, and when I make it larger, you see all the captions in a very good way. So there you go. So that's a caption. Going back to the media file, and okay, so this one again, in a few hours, this will become available, and then we can get delete options and get the thing captioned. Okay, so let's go back to the slides for a second. This was the next slide, and this is what I showed you. Once it's available, you submit the media for captioning. Let's go down. And again, this next slide pretty much just talks about the things that you should watch out for. So it's a good idea to know your section number and the timing of the film and kind of have that ready. They don't tell you ahead of time that you need to do that, but if you start captioning videos after a while, you're going to realize what you need up front, and you'll get that information and have it handy before you go through filling out these forms. All right, that ends the demonstration presentation on how to upload your videos to 3CMedia for captioning and what it looks like after they've done their work, and they can make that available for you to use in your classroom.